Hey Kelly, we're on Pine Street in the Jeff Vanderloo neighborhood, and it definitely did a number. For the last 30 minutes I've been checking with residents. I want to show you why. You have complete roofs there in people's front yards. Families are waking up. Some of them stayed inside of their homes last night, but others couldn't. Why? Because brick toppled over on Friday afternoon. You can see there a light post snapped. We see facades crashed onto people's vehicles. Again, this is what people are waking up to a second day here on this Sunday morning. Now, people said that they couldn't afford to get into hotels last night. You know, many of them didn't have the resources or support to do that. So they are just really dealing with what they can. You see there, you can see material hanging from this tree, really, that came from that fourplex. A lot of these are rentals. Some are owned by people that have had these homes for several years. Now, another thing I want to address is the restoration that's already beginning this morning. I want to show you some of the video that we got earlier further north there. That was near O'Fallon Park, okay? You can see several crews. Forestry is out. They are clearing the way, breaking off those trees, some existing trees and some of those that are already snapped, so that crews can get to the power lines. It's going to take them a few days at least to get the grids back up and running for your things like your street lights as well as your residential homes. And so I did speak to one of those crew members about what we're facing.
The big part is try to get these old structures and all these wires that are on these homes, the wire that's on the ground. Try to get it cleared up. If we got to install new stuff, we got to install a lot of new wire poles. So getting it off these homes is pretty tricky. But like I said, there's a lot of qualified guys out here that know what they're doing and can do it safely.
Getting you back live on Pine Street in the Jeff Vanderloo neighborhood. Again, there is so much destruction and damage to these families' homes this morning, and they are going to have to find other places to live. But we do know that there are several organizations mobilized to help them out, and we're going to be making sure you know where to go, who to call to get you some help. We're live in North City. Travis Cummings, 5 on your side.